Dr. Melaxin Cemenrete Calcium Multi-Balm Review. Can it really rebuild bone? In this video, we're reviewing one of the most bizarre claims I've seen in skincare. Dr. Melaxin Cemenrete Calcium Multi-Balm. It's marketed as a skin treatment that can rebuild bone. Yes, you heard that right. Let's unpack the hype, the ingredients, and what actually happened when I tried it. The balm is solid as a multifunctional eye and skin treatment. It claims to lift sagging skin, brighten dull areas, smooth fine lines, and here's the kicker: rebuild bone using something called rebornic calcium technology. But what does that even mean? Let's look at what's actually inside. The balm contains vitamin C exfoliants, antioxidants, and emollients like capric triglyceride, and these are great for skin hydration and texture, but none of them are known to rebuild bone. There's no calcium phosphate or peptides, nothing you'd expect in a product that claims to regenerate bone. I used the balm twice daily for 3 weeks, focusing on under eye areas and cheekbones. It absorbed well, felt smooth, and gave a mild brightening effect, but did it lift sagging skin or rebuild bone? Not even close. Let's be clear. Bone regeneration is a biological process involving stem cells, osteoblasts, and internal calcium metabolism. No topical balm can trigger that. The rebornic calcium technology appears to be a marketing term, not a medically recognized method. So, is Dr. Melaxin Balm a total scam? Not exactly. It's a decent skin hydrator with some cosmetic benefits. But the bone claim, completely unfounded. If you're looking for a solid eye balm, this might work. But if you're hoping to rebuild bone, this isn't the miracle you're looking for.